Welcome to Best Choice. The best Kiss Whispy Eyelash is probably one of the most sought-after beauty enhancers for achieving that perfect, natural-looking flutter, offering a delicate yet noticeable lift that can transform your entire makeup look with minimal effort. These lashes are designed to blend seamlessly with your own, providing a soft, feathery appearance that's ideal for both everyday wear and special occasions, making them a versatile addition to any beauty arsenal for those seeking subtle sophistication and enhanced eye definition without compromising on comfort or a natural feel. Number 5. DYSILK Lashes 6D Mink False Eyelashes. Discover the ultimate in lash enhancement. Our premium false eyelashes offer a stunning, natural look that elevates your eyes effortlessly. Achieve that coveted fluffy and wispy effect with our expertly crafted lashes. They blend seamlessly for a touch of natural elegance. Indulge in the softness and volume of 6D Mink. These lashes provide unparalleled depth and dimension for a truly captivating gaze. Get a beautiful, natural appearance with a hint of glamour. They are designed to enhance your eyes without looking overdone. This pack includes 5 pairs, ensuring you always have the perfect lashes for any occasion. Enjoy long-lasting beauty and versatility. Applying them is simple, and the results are breathtaking. Transform your look in minutes with these high-quality strip lashes. What we like? These offer a very natural look with a wispy style. They are made from mink for a soft feel. If you are looking for subtle enhancement for everyday wear, these are a great choice. What people say? The lashes are lightweight and comfortable to wear. They look very natural and blend well with my own lashes. The band is thin and flexible, making them easy to apply. Number 4. Kiss So Wispy 12mm False Eyelashes. Introducing the So Wispy lashes from Kiss. Get a naturally beautiful look with these delicate lash clusters. These lashes are designed for an easy application, perfect for beginners. Achieve a stunning eye look in minutes. Enjoy a subtle yet noticeable enhancement with the 12mm length. They add just the right amount of volume and definition. This pack includes 5 pairs of lashes, offering great value. You'll have plenty for multiple wears and occasions. Not only are they easy to apply, but they are also reusable. Get multiple wears out of each pair, making them a sustainable choice. Embrace your natural beauty with these wispy lash clusters. They blend seamlessly for a comfortable and gorgeous finish. What we like? These are designed for ease of application and are reusable. The wispy style provides a fluttery effect. If you're new to false lashes or want a quick, beautiful look without much fuss, these are perfect for you. What people say? These lashes are so lightweight and comfortable, you'll forget you're wearing them. The wispy design gives a natural yet glamorous look, perfect for any occasion. Easy to apply and remove, these lashes are a game changer for your makeup routine. Number 3. DYSILK Fluffy Mink Lashes, Slay 18mm. Introducing our premium mink lashes, designed for an incredibly fluffy and soft feel. Get ready to elevate your look with unparalleled volume and comfort. This pack includes 7 pairs of our 8D faux mink lashes. Each pair is crafted to provide a luxurious, multidimensional effect that enhances your natural beauty. Achieve that perfect balance of wispy softness and bold definition. These lashes offer a natural look that's effortlessly glamorous, making them perfect for any occasion. Enjoy the long-lasting softness and comfort of our high-quality lashes. They are designed to be reusable, offering great value and consistent beauty wear after wear. Make a statement with the dramatic 18mm length. These lashes are sure to turn heads and complete your stunning makeup look with confidence. Discover the difference quality makes. Our lashes are meticulously crafted to ensure you always look and feel your best, effortlessly. What we like? Experience dramatic volume with these fluffy, long lashes. The 8D design creates an intense, eye-catching effect. If you want to make a statement and achieve a glamorous, full lash look, especially for special occasions or a night out, these are the ones to grab. What people say? These lashes are so lightweight and comfortable, you'll forget you're wearing them. The wispy design gives a natural yet glamorous look, perfect for any occasion. Easy to apply and remove, these lashes are a game changer for your makeup routine. Number 2. Kiss Falscara DIY Eyelash Extension Wispy Wisps. Tired of expensive salon lash extensions? Now you can get that authentic, beautiful look right in your own home. Introducing Falscara Wispy Wisps for effortless application and stunning results. Experience the incredible comfort of our Featherlight synthetic lashes. They are designed to be reusable, offering you a cost-effective and convenient beauty solution. This multipack contains 24 mini lash clusters, giving you plenty of options to customize your look. Create a full, natural appearance with ease. Get the coveted eyelash extension look without the hassle or high cost. Our innovative wisps provide a seamless blend with your natural lashes for a truly authentic finish. Falscara Wispy Wisps are your secret weapon for achieving gorgeous, fluttery lashes every day. Elevate your beauty routine with this simple yet transformative product. What we like. Achieve an authentic eyelash extension look at home. These are incredibly lightweight and feature wispy wisps for a natural yet defined appearance. If you desire the look of professional lash extensions but prefer a DIY approach and a comfortable, barely there feel, these are an excellent option. What people say. These lashes are so lightweight and comfortable, you'll forget you're wearing them. The wispy design adds just the right amount of volume and length without looking overdone. They are easy to apply and blend seamlessly with your natural lashes for a flawless finish. Number 1. Kiss So Wispy False Eyelashes Style Number 01. Introducing the So Wispy Lashes from Kiss. Achieve a beautiful, natural look with style number 01. These lashes are 14 mm in length, perfect for adding subtle volume and definition to your eyes. Get great value with this pack, as it includes 5 pairs of lashes. You'll always have a fresh pair ready. Application is a breeze, even for beginners. You can effortlessly enhance your natural beauty in minutes. Not only are they easy to apply, but they are also reusable. Enjoy multiple wears from each pair, making them a sustainable choice. Experience a naturally wispy appearance that blends seamlessly with your own lashes. They provide just the right amount of flutter. What we like. These offer a noticeable length at 14 mm with a beautiful wispy finish. They are also reusable, making them a cost-effective choice. If you want to add significant length and flutter to your lashes without being overly dramatic, and appreciate the ability to wear them multiple times, consider these. What people say. These lashes are incredibly lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them perfect for all-day use. The wispy design gives a natural yet enhanced look, adding subtle volume and length without appearing too dramatic. They are easy to apply, even for beginners, and hold their shape well throughout the day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.